In the previous video, we had created three methods that delete elements. A method that deletes a specific index, a delete first, and a delete all method. In the previous video, we have implemented delete first and delete all by calling the delete method. But this is insufficient because we have one for loop and a second for loop inside the delete function, and that takes O times 2 time complexity. So how do we resolve this? If we take a look at our fixed array, how we implement it, we can use this and replace for now this, and we can use our components from items as items -1, items equals items in the end, minus minus, and in between this function. But here we will check if it's shipped when start taking elements. And when we set items to items and our length to length. For all, we take a look at this method. It usually just takes count and replaces if it's not equal to item. Else we need to delete the other ones. Length minus count is less than length. So we can define like this again. Items here. Now here's a challenge. We don't know how many elements are here. So we need to do is setting items minus count, and from 0 length is minus equal count, and then we do not need this here. It's less than length. Items I equals items I, and now items equals items. Now this is just for resizing the dynamic array. Otherwise we do the same shift, but we've already inserted elements, so that our last elements that are in the end, which ones I found. So when we create a smaller array, we just copy the smaller array inside. And this should be it, and this code should work similarly. Let me just compile. And let me execute. First let's clear, because I was testing if it works. And now 1, 2, 3, this deleted, 4, 5, 6, this deleted, this did not. Why did this delete and this delete if it wasn't? So we have an issue here. So how much count? -1. Let me check again. Now if we analyze this, because we have three values, this means this value and this value I'm missing. Let's show first deletion. First deletion works. Now delete only is the issue. I mean, delete first, we know it's -1, but in this larger one, it's equal to length. So that's why I compile, execute, and looks like it finally did exactly as predicted. Removed all three 100s with delete all, then an insertion, just where it is, and this is it. This is a fixed delete first and delete all method that is now in O and complexity, because there are no nested loops, even though there are 2 for loops, so it's 2n time complexity, but this works in our favor. So anyway, this is the deletion part 2.